Baking soda and vinegar homemade bathroom cleaners. Do you know that you probably have 2 potent natural ingredients in your pantry that can clean almost everything around your home? Inexpensive baking soda and vinegar can make your life easier, answering all your cleaning woes. Let's look at how to clean your bathroom with baking soda and vinegar. Number 1. Clean shower doors. You know how hard it is to clean glass shower doors with the buildup of hard water and soap scum. However, you don't need to use harsh chemicals to clean it quickly. Mix half a cup of baking soda and vinegar to create a paste. The mixture starts to fizz. Dip a sponge into this paste when the fizzing stops and spread the paste on the glass door. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub with a sponge. The baking soda acts as an abrasive, while the vinegar dissolves the hard water spots and soap scum. Once the glass is clean, rinse it with water and dry with a microfiber cloth or paper towel. Number 2. Clean toilet. Toilet limescale buildup can be difficult to clean. Using baking soda and vinegar, you can clean your toilet without harsh chemicals. Pour about 1 cup of white vinegar into the toilet bowl, followed by about 1 cup of baking soda, then let it rest for around 10 minutes. Then, scrub the toilet and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before flushing. You can repeat this process if needed. Number 3. Clean the shower head. Have you ever had a clogged shower head? A dirt or calcium buildup can clog your shower head, affecting the flow of water, not to mention that it could be full of bacteria. Here is how to clean a shower head and get back to enjoying a soothing shower. If you can remove your shower head, you can follow this method. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of baking soda. Put the shower head into the bowl and let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, scrub the shower head with a sponge and toothbrush. Rinse it with water before reinstalling it. If you cannot remove your shower head, you can follow this method. Pour vinegar into the plastic bag. The amount should be enough to be able to submerge the shower head. Carefully lift the bag with vinegar and place it over the shower head. Secure the bag with rubber bands. Soak the shower head in the vinegar for 1 hour. After an hour, remove the plastic bag and sprinkle baking soda. Scrub the shower head with a sponge or with a toothbrush. Rinse with water. Number 4. Clean bathtub. Frequent use of your bathtub will often mean a buildup of soap scum, grime, and hard water stains. First, spray vinegar all over your bathtub. Leave it for 15 minutes to soak. Next, sprinkle the baking soda. It will start to fizz. When it stops fizzing, scrub the bathtub with a sponge. After cleaning, leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse with water. Number 5. Clean the tile grout. Tile grout is notoriously difficult to clean, but baking soda and vinegar can help make this job more manageable. First, mix baking soda and water to create a paste. Then, apply the paste to the grout. Spray vinegar onto this paste. The mixture starts to fizz. When the fizzing stops, begin scrubbing the grout with a toothbrush. When the scrubbing is complete, rinse the tiles with water. Number 6. Get rid of the musty smell in the drain. Baking soda and vinegar are ideal for cleaning the drain too. Apply the baking soda to the plug hole and then add some vinegar. Leave the mixture until it's finished reacting, then rinse for a clean, odor-free drain. You can see the detailed steps in our previous video.